It's been 3 weeks, I've watched all countless Python tutorials, but still I can't figure out how long it takes to learn Python. And I'm still not sure how long does it take to become a Python developer. A real Python developer. If that's you, then you're in the right place. Let's break down the real timeline and see what exactly matters. How long does it really take to become a Python developer? Hey guys, welcome back to Simplified by Singam. We make programming easy for beginners. Well, today we are going to learn how long does it really takes to become a Python developer, a real Python developer. Let's start with a simple answer. For most people, it will take 6 months to 1 year to become a Python developer. Job ready Python developer. But here is the catch. It depends upon how consistent you are and what kind of projects you. For example, if you learn 1 to 2 hours in a day, then you're going to complete it in maybe 6 months, right? But if you're learning Python once in a while, just like after some days and then coming back again and learning from the scratch again, so then it's gonna take longer than you expect. But that's completely okay. So let's simplify this journey into 3. Step 1 or the phase 1, you start with learning the basics. It could be like loops, conditions, variable, data types. Do not rush, just try understanding and memorizing. Because this phase is really hard for beginners to go through it because it's really completely a new topic and they are not going to get it, what's going on there. So I suggest beginners to take more time, take extra time to practice the basics, because once you have a strong basics, then you can learn anything for further. It will be even easier for you to remember the further steps, the further concepts, though they are complex in the beginning, but you will understand as you practice. So do not rush, just focus on understanding and memorizing it and practice as much as you. Then here comes the most interesting part. This is the phase 2 where you have to focus on the projects. You don't have to build a very big projects. You can take like a simple project per week. Like it could be a to-do application or maybe a calculator application. Just pick one easy project, one small project in a week and try to finish it in a week. Just one project per week. So that is where you build your basics. That is where you're going to apply your basics. That is where you understand what's going on and how you can improve. And that is where you will think like a developer. So phase 2 is for projects. And later you can try working with Django or Flask applications. So that is where you will start thinking like a developer. And phase 3, once you got a good grip over projects, and now it's time to finally choose your path. You can either pick web development, data analysis, machine learning. It depends upon your. I will suggest you to make sure take some more time and then go further. I know each of these takes time, but it's really worth it. That is where you will understand what you want to become after learning Python. Now I can see that everyone's journey is different. Some people take 6 months, some people take even 3 months. It depends upon your consistency and your interest over learning Python. Like how much time you take to study in every day and your background in coding and your consistency and whether you're actually building something or just watching tutorials. So all these key things are really important to a person who is. So my honest advice is watching 50 videos will not make you a Python developer, but building just 5 projects will make you a developer for sure. That is when you learn, you implement, and you think like a developer. So I will suggest you to practice more than you read and don't just get stuck in this loops of tutorials. Keep on, don't just spend your whole time, whole energy on tutorials, and create something small every week. Any small project, any minute thing, just create it on your own from the basics you have built, from the basics you have learned. So that is when you will get more insights about coding. And also I will suggest you to find a community who is like a group of people who is also learning Python like you, because this helps you to stay motivated even during the low times when you're not in a mood to learn. But these people can help you in moving further together. And here's the truth, there's no finish line for this learning Python journey. New concepts are coming every day. Even after you become a Python developer, you will still be learning new things. So don't ask how long will it take. Instead ask, how can I improve myself every day? Learning never ends, it just evolves. If you have been wondering you're too slow, you can't learn, it's gonna take a long time for me, don't worry about it, because everyone has their own pace. Some people take longer time, some people take very less time. So all I want you to do is keep going, stay consistent, keep learning, and keep practicing more than, grasping, learning. And it's not about the speed, it's about the growth. And if this video helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so that you will never miss some more interesting videos about Python tutorials and Python projects. So I'll see you in the next one.